Okay, you ready? Okay. Okay, Brookie. We gotta put this stuff on you. So it is October 19th, 2011, and we are doing Brookie's last fill at home. And so we have her lidocaine, we have her stuff that goes on her head, and we have saran wrap.
Head.
I know. Oh wait, let me put it first. So we're making a little headband for Brookie. Okay. So we gotta gob it on. We have to put tons and tons and tons of stuff on her port, which is right there behind her ear. Put it on there.
Brookie,
I can put more on.
you're gonna have to.
Get saran wrap, make it small like her port. I'll put it's not a very clean process. Okay, saran wrap on. Headband on, maybe. Okay.
Okay,
And
Brooke.
we're done for now. Look at Oma and wave. Here's for your finger. Can you say hi to Oma? Hi, Oma. Hi, Oma. Okay. Okay, we'll be back in an hour. We'll be back.